If you're tired of expensive photo shoots and time-consuming edits, well, stick around because we're talking about SellerPic today. You can generate thousands of product photos using AI on SellerPic in literally just a day, and it is the best thing for my business right now. So I thought I'd share it with you. Let's dive in to exactly how to use this. So this is SellerPic, and I will show you exactly how to use this, but let's talk a little bit about what this is. So SellerPic lets you create high-quality contextual product images using AI models. You can show off your clothing or accessories in realistic try-on reviews, spotlight images, or lifestyle scenes without ever booking a photo shoot. So normally this would cost you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars just to get a few images of your product and models wearing them. But with this platform, you can do it in a matter of minutes, and it looks incredibly realistic. In fact, all these images here are generated by AI, showcasing products that have been uploaded. And as you can see, this looks no different to if we were to have a model shoot. So let's go ahead and try this out. I'm going to upload a picture of a handbag here. Then what we're going to do is basically ask it to get a model to hold this handbag for us. Then we can use this in banner ads. We could use it in videos later on. So let's just do that now. So here we've typed in a female model holding this handbag. And then what we're going to do is actually press Smart Optimizing, and then it's going to enhance the description for us using AI, because we've basically told it what we want, and now it's going to edit that to optimize it for AI. So here we can see generate an image of a female model standing and elegantly holding this tan leather handbag in a well-lit studio setting. Now let's just see what it comes back with. And then after a short amount of time, we do have this AI image generated of this woman holding the handbag that we uploaded. So when it comes to using things like Shopify or just any e-commerce products, we can basically use this to make any image we want without needing to hire editors or photographers, or even use Photoshop. I mean, this is pretty much ready to upload into our store as it is. So all we would do after this point is simply download it, or we can go ahead and remix it and get a different image. But this isn't just limited to images, it actually does video as well. So let's dive into that. So here we have on the right-hand side, lip sync video. So not only could we get a model holding our product, but we can actually lip sync audio to that model so it can explain a little bit about the product and actually create a UGC video, which performs incredibly well on things like Facebook ads. Now, this is super easy to do. All we would do is actually just upload our model image here, and then we can assign a voice to it, in which, yes, we can choose from a bunch of different voices here, and we can actually have the model do what's called a 360 turn as well on some of the products. If it was a dress, for example, that would be great to implement. And if we're not super happy with the AI voices, we can actually upload our own audio that we've recorded or had someone record, and then sync it to the model's lips so it looks like the model is talking. And this is all very believable. Now, another really cool feature is image to video. So what we can do here is actually upload an image. So let's upload the image we already made. And then we have a bunch of options here that we can choose from. If I move my camera over here, we can see on this right-hand side that we can actually put in a video prompt in which we can get AI to write for us, and we can also generate synchronized audio with that prompt as well. So not only will it do what we want here with this image, but it will actually add audio to that video track, so everything's a lot more believable. Now, the video settings here, we can do a standard render or a master render. These will just differ slightly in quality, but we'll stick with standard for now. And then we actually can have default presets if we are a little bit short on ideas. So here we can see a lifestyle scene if we were demoing a product for an ad. We can show accessories for things like jewelry and bracelets, and we can even have products reviewing where you can see here this woman is putting on some kind of cream. So that could be good for pharmaceutical or beauty product. Then for clothing, we could do showcasing an outfit or catwalking. And then we have the product video tab where we would purely showcase the products rather than having a model showcase it. So let's just leave everything as it is and then press generate. And while this is generating, we can actually take a look at some of the other ones we've done previously. So here we can see some paint. That looks fantastic. And then we have this cologne here. As you can see, that looks great as well and work fantastically in an ad. And as you can see, it's generated this video for us from the image, and you can see what comes back here. It is a woman holding the bag and does look quite elegant. So that could be a great little B-roll footage in our ads and something that could potentially increase the sales of this bag. Now, after this, we can press download, or what we can do is actually select save to Shopify, and it will go directly onto the Shopify product page. Now, another really cool feature here, guys, is their publisher module. So what we can do here is actually link a channel and then automate hosting to that channel. So we could basically do all of our workflow in here, and then we will save time by setting up automatic posting, ensuring consistent engagement with the audience, even when we're offline. So this is great as a little social media tool here that we can use to basically just push out content from the stuff that we've created here. Now, they've got a bunch of other cool features as well. So you could replace backgrounds, place your products in different rooms. You can retouch images, so actually change different parts of an image. You can also extend images as well if you're going for different formats, such as YouTube or YouTube Shorts. And if we scroll over here, we can actually enhance images as well, upping the quality to show our products better. Now, this is all a natural language interface, so you simply just describe what you want in English and the system does the rest. No design skills are needed for this, and they also have seamless Shopify integration. So you can make your products, you make your content surrounding the products, and you can get it directly onto your Shopify page from this platform. And I love that ease of use factor. So that is SellerPic. Definitely check it out in the description, guys, because this has massively optimized my business when it comes to creating pictures, videos, and ads for my products. This has actually boosted my sales by 30%, so that's fantastic. I would definitely recommend trying it out yourself and seeing the results. They actually have a free trial on right now, so feel free to check it out in the description. But that is going to be it from me for this vid. I will see you in the next one.